Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic CorelCAD tutorials, how to convert files into PDF. Okay, for example, I will draw a rectangle in here. And then if you want to convert these objects into PDF, you can use plot command, type plot, press enter, and will be show for print models dialog box. In here you can set for printer or plotter, like I will insert into Microsoft Print to PDF. The next you can set for paper size, we set into A4, and you can set orientation in it, portrait or landscape, this for landscape. And then for ranks, I will use specify, I will click at this point. The next you can set fit to paper size and then print on the center of paper. Click OK to apply, and then you can save your files into PDF, like I will set into example. Then click save, so it will be automatically create example PDF from this to this CAD. Okay, that's it, how to convert to PDF in CorelCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.